Okay, we've reached the end of section 12, and in this particular section, what we took a look at was more advanced usage of forms in our application. And this time we looked at using reactive forms. Now, you're not going to be creating any applications or web applications where you don't have to use forms. They're in everything. And we always want to obtain information from our users, typically. And forms is something useful to know about for literally just about any application. And we've taken a look at using Angular validation so we can validate our inputs on client side. And client-side validation is a nice to have. It's not essential because you can always validate on the server, but please never rely on client-side validation alone. We've seen how easy it is to use a tool like Postman to completely bypass your wonderful client-side browser validation. So we have to add validation on the server side as well. Otherwise, we could receive bad data into our database. So client-side validation is a nice to have, server-side validation is essential. What we also did was took a look at implementing our own custom validation. Angular provides several good ones out of the box, but there are occasions where we'll have to create our own, and we took a look at how we can use custom validation. And we also looked at creating a reusable form control. These things are massive time savers, and we can use custom form controls for just about anything. It doesn't have to be for inputs. It can also be for other things that you want to add to your forms. And we also looked at working with date inputs as well. And now we've got a standardized date input that works the same across any different browser. What we're going to take a look at next is we're going to take a look at paging, filtering, and sorting in our application. And that's coming up.